Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin daily analysis for today, Sunday, 14th of July of 2024. Bitcoin did manage to create a 2.25% bullish candle today, Saturday. And it was as expected. Yesterday we talked about this chance that the high probability from today is going bullish, and it worked perfectly. Bitcoin only almost managed to touch this order block. Didn't touch it for a few dollars, but and Bitcoin create a very beautiful candle. This is very bullish because the main thing is we close above the high of the last day. We close over this midpoint of the wick of the Thursday candle. We touch the high of the Thursday candle, and we close in the higher part over the midpoint of this fair value gap. This is super bullish, guys, super bullish. So the obvious trade for today, Sunday 14, is to continue bullish. Maybe Bitcoin will do some kind of retracement during the day, and then the most probable thing is that Bitcoin will continue to going higher. So, what are the main objectives? Objectives now. First is this high, this Saturday high is the main objective. Second objective is this mitigation block. Maybe we will see some kind of resistance here. Then we have the optimal trade entry that we are marked here. Optimal trade entry is between 0.79 and 0.618 of this huge range that we had marked here from the high to low of this low. This zone will have a lot of resistance because it has also a fair value gap. So this zone is the make it or, or break it. We're gonna expect to Bitcoin maybe touch it and retrace a little bit because the Monday is a very high volatility day. Usually Mondays are positive for Bitcoin, at least for this year, 2024. So today, Sunday, we will expect to Bitcoin at least close around here. Will be a very nice. But if we have a rejection in this zone, the mitigation block, or in this huge zone, we could see a retracement to maybe to this order block, or maybe some kind of fair value gap that is forming here, or could be forming during today. We need to see what's happening with today. Um, we have this zone that we already touched. Now this is it. This is it. If we close below here, we will start to be pretty bearish. Even you can say if we close below here, we can start to be very bearish. But for now, we will leave it here as the same as this order block. So these are the line in the sand. So if Bitcoin retrace and come back and close below here, we will come very bearish, and we can go in here and this zone, etc. You know the deal. We have been talking about a lot of these last days, but for now we are bullish. The market is bullish. Bitcoin was around this zone, this 58,600, and then a huge news happens. I think the ex-president or former President Trump was involved, so that news pumped the market, and maybe it's almost sure that it will continue going up, or in the worst case, it will retrace some, and then the Monday will continue the trajectory in the upwards. So this is the analysis guide. Tomorrow we will have the weekly analysis. We have a very important point for the weekly. Bitcoin need to close above the midpoint that is here. The midpoint of this range of week is 89.3. If Bitcoin close above this in the weekly, we will have a pretty good confirmation that the price will keep going higher, higher, and higher, and higher. Maybe at least to this zone, at least to this high, at minimum. And if we close the week above this high, we can go above this high. So tomorrow we will analyze the weekly candle and see what's happened. Okay, guys? Hope you like the content. Hope you enjoy this daily analysis. And if you like it, you can subscribe, give it a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow.